Hello and welcome. This is Michelle with PaperStampInk. Now, if you're thinking you got to the wrong channel, you didn't. This is not one of my typical card tutorials. Instead, today I'm excited to share with you about the launch of my new company, Rising Joy Creations. And it's all about things that I'm doing with my Glowforge laser printer and my Silhouette Cameo, making home decor items, gift items, 3D projects, all sorts of fun stuff. And I am launching the start of my company with a monthly subscription kit. So you can have the fun of getting these products in the mail once a month and creating your own beautiful home decor items. So let's go ahead and get started on what is included in the kit. So you'll see here is a sample of the box, and that's this month's box. Now this is just a teaser, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you really quickly how I put this kit together, and then we're going to talk about how you can join in on my club and get the great benefits as a founder. Before we get too far, I want to let you guys know this is a premiere video, and what that means is I am watching this along with you, and so I'm going to be available in the comments in the chat section to answer questions if you have them as this is premiering. So let's go ahead and start talking about the kit. It's called the Joyful Creations Crate. And it's a box full of crafty goodies ready for you whenever you want to start on a new project each month. It's going to come to your doorstep, or you can get local pickup if you're in Helen, Montana, where I'm at. Now you can make this project by yourself, or maybe get some friends together, have them subscribe to the kit, and you can have a monthly evening out or daytime, depending on your schedule, with a group of your friends. Get together, laugh, create, and share. Nothing is better than spending time with friends and sharing your creativity. So how would you like to win a free kit? Either for yourself, or hey, if you become a subscriber, it'd be great to share with a friend. Quick disclaimer, this is only available for shipping within the US. So to enter, you have to 1, be a subscriber to my channel, 2, share this video with the link below using that little share button, and 3, comment that you've shared and what your favorite Christmas song is. I will be announcing the winner on November 15th on my channel, so check back in. If I don't hear from the winner with their address confirmation within 2 days, I will be picking another winner. So the next part of this video is sped up significantly. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a taste of what it's like to create with these kits. So everything is going to be included in the kit. There's going to be the wood round, and for example for this month that everything's going to be put on. There's going to be the wood cutouts, the stencil for the buffalo plaid, there's going to be paints, there's going to be sponges, there's going to be a brush, there's even going to be a paper plate for dipping on, a toothpick for getting things weeded out of that stencil if you need. I mean, it's really an all-inclusive kit. The only things that you are going to need is a ruler and some masking or painter's tape. So very simple to create with this. And you can always swap out colors if you'd like from what I've done with the kit. I love that black and red for the buffalo plaid, but I'm excited to try some other colors. So let me know what color combinations you think would look great with this kit. And if you want to add your own paints, do that. I love when people take and put their own spin on a project. And guess what? We're going to have a private Facebook group for our members as well, for our subscribers, where we can all share our creations and our ideas and inspire one another. I just love the look of this. And you know, when you're using your tape properly and using the paint techniques that I'm going to share, you're going to get these beautiful crisp lines on your projects. No bleed through. We're going to take care of that. And you know, you can also take these wood cutouts and rearrange them in a different layout if you want. So lots of options to take this and make this your own. Now you're even going to get the glue that's needed to adhere those pieces down, and a little bit goes a long way. Just be careful of the glue on your fingers. I don't know if you're like me. I always get that super glue stuck on my fingers when I'm using it. Anybody else like that? Give me a thumbs up if you have that issue too. So our kit's almost completed. I just decided I wanted to put a little bit of snow on that tree, so I'm going in and adding a very light dabs of the white paint on there to finish that off. If you do, give me a thumbs up down below. So let's talk about what's included in the kit. As I stated before, you're going to get all of the materials you need to complete the project. You're also going to get complete written instructions and a link to a video tutorial with tips on how to get the most out of your project. Now, why subscribe? Well, as a monthly subscriber, you're going to be able to lock in at a reduced price. So if you sign up by December 31st, you are going to be one of my founding members, which means you're going to get the kit for just $22 a month. There would be $6 shipping within the US added on, or you can select local pickup if you're in the Helena, Montana area. That price is going to go up $5 January 1st, so make sure you lock in that subscription before the end of the year. Projects that we're going to be making are going to be valued anywhere from $35 and up if you did not purchase them with a subscription. You're also going to get access to an exclusive Facebook group where we're going to share our creations, inspire each other. There's going to be giveaways and offerings of exclusive products only available to subscribers. There'll also be surprise goodies and items included in your kit quarterly as a thank you for being a loyal subscriber. You're going to get access as well to discount pricing on new products as I launch those items. Okay, so now that we've shared all about the kit, I hope you guys are excited as I am. If you're wondering, how do you sign up? You can go to the description in this video and click on the link. Now there's two links. Make sure you select the appropriate one, either for shipping or for local pickup in Helena, Montana. I can only do shipping within the US right now, so I'm sorry for my international friends. I'm not equipped right now to ship internationally. Make sure you sign up by the 10th of the month and you will be locked in each month with a recurring subscription. You will get that shipped out on the 15th of the month. If you don't subscribe by the 10th, then you will be on next month's subscription list. So for example, if you sign up on the 11th, you'll get your first kit shipped out December 15th. Don't forget to take advantage of that founding member bonus by signing up before December 31st. I don't want you guys to miss out on that deal and get that pricing locked in. Now you can follow me on the links in the description below. I'm going to be starting a new YouTube channel that's Rising Joy Creations. In fact, this will be my first video up on that channel. I also have a Facebook channel and an Instagram that I will be posting inspiration on regularly. I hope you'll join me on this new journey, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, grab your paper, stamp, and ink, or maybe your wood, paint, and brushes, and do something creative.